Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials and heading to the notary office now. Bring the original birth certificate and a clear photocopy, and show government ID so the notary can confirm identity. Once done, state why you need notarization, e.g., certified copy or sworn affidavit, so they use the correct certificate. Make sure to ask about the fee and acceptable payment. This avoids delays and makes the very first step efficient and correct. You sit with the notary and follow their instructions precisely. Do not sign beforehand because the notary must witness your signature. Once you sign, the notary will complete the journal entry, apply the official seal, and add the signature block. Make sure you verbally confirm the exact notarization type, certified copy, acknowledgement, or jurat, because each has different legal effect. If you need multiple copies, request them now so the notary can sign. You complete the process by inspecting the document. Count seals, signatures, and the dated notary stamp, then request a copy of the notary journal entry or receipt for your records. Once done, store copies in a secure envelope. If the receiving agency rejects the notarization, ask them exactly what failed, missing wording, wrong notary type, or expired seal, then return to the notary with that correction and have the document re-executed. This single troubleshooting step clears most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.